Hello, in front of me I have Vivo Y52 5G and I'm gonna show you how to set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu. Now scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, select the option called Network and Internet. Here tap on the hotspot and tethering, and then select Wi-Fi hotspot. As you can see right here, we can enable the hotspot by tapping the switch, but first let's set up our hotspot. And here we have options for our hotspot below the button. First option we have is hotspot name. We can tap on it and we can change the name of our hotspot. Then tap OK to save it. Below we have security and we can tap on it and select the security type. We have WPA2 personal or none. If you select none, you won't have the password protection on your network. If you select WPA2 personal, you will have the password protection. Next we have hotspot password. We can tap on it to make the password visible or to change it. Like this. Next we have AP band. We can tap right here and select the AP band of our network. I recommend to use 5G if you can, but if you want you can also select 2.4 GHz. Select one of the one you like by tapping on it, like that. Next we have one-time mobile data limit, and you can select the limit of data on your network. You have options like unlimited, 50 megabytes, 100 megabytes, 200 megabytes, 500 megabytes, and custom. If you select custom, you can type in the amount of megabytes. For example, let's type in 2000, like this. Next, or rather, last option we have turn off hotspot automatically. And what this option does is basically if no devices are connected to your network, after a certain period of time, the network will turn itself off automatically to save battery. And you can enable or disable this option. Once you're done setting up your hotspot, you can enable it by tapping on the switch. For some reason we got the pop-up about the limited data. I'm gonna select unlimited this time, and here we have it. As you can see, the hotspot is enabled. You can tell by this icon right here next to the Wi-Fi network. And to disable the hotspot, of course, you can tap on the switch again. You can also enable the hotspot by using the quick panel. To do it, open the quick panel by swiping downwards from the top of the screen twice, like this. And here on the quick panel we have hotspot icon. Tap on it to enable it, and tap on it again to disable it. And you can also press and hold on this icon to enter the hotspot and tethering settings. There's also a quick method to connect to your hotspot. You can open the hotspot settings, turn on the hotspot, and here you have the QR code and password for your network. So if somebody wants to connect to your network, you can give them the QR code to quickly connect, or you can simply check your password right here if you're missing the password for your network. Okay. And that's how you set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.